Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to move contact to the SIM card on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to move contact to the SIM card provides a convenient and reliable method for backup, compatibility, and access to contact information across different devices and situations. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the contact app on your device. Well, after that, click the three line at the top left corner. So, click Manage Contacts here. Well, after that, select Move Contact. Okay, and here you can select from where will you move your contact to the SIM card. Then select a contact, or you can select all by pressing this option. So, click Done. And then select the SIM card here. Next, click OK. Okay, lastly, click Move at the bottom. Well, that's the tutorial on how to move contact to the SIM card on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.